Welcome! If you're managing a Telegram group on your PC and want to let another admin invite new members using a link, this guide will show you the exact steps you need to follow with the latest Telegram update. First, make sure you have the Telegram app open on your PC. Log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, head over to the group where you have admin privileges. You'll find all your groups listed on the left side. Just click on the one you want to manage. Now look towards the top right corner of your group chat window. You'll see 3 dots. Click on them to open the options menu. From this list, select Manage Group. This will bring up the settings for your group, where you can control everything from permissions to group info. Next, find and click on the Administrators section. Here, you'll see a list of all the admins in your group. Locate the admin you want to allow to invite users and click on their name. This will open up their admin permissions. In this permissions menu, look for the option labeled Invite Users via Link. There should be a toggle or checkbox next to it. Enable this option to grant the selected admin the ability to invite new members through an invite link. Once you've made this change, don't forget to click Save to apply the new permission. That's it. You've now successfully allowed another admin to invite users to your Telegram group using an invite link. This is a great way to share the responsibility of growing your community, and makes it much easier for trusted admins to bring in new members. With these simple steps, managing your Telegram group becomes more collaborative and efficient. For more helpful tips and the latest updates on Telegram features, stay tuned and keep your group thriving.